All right, everybody. So we want to do a quick follow-up interview here with Dr. Holly. So did you enjoy your time with Brad?
Oh yeah, Brad's awesome.
Yeah, he's okay. Yeah, I only enjoy it sometimes. I gotta show him the ropes on how to do this whole bit.
It was hard kind of staring up all the time.
Yeah, that's true. Trust me. I'm constant with that guy. I wish he'd get short like 3 feet.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Maybe he'd understand what it's like to be me a little bit. You know what I mean? But anyway, so PaleoFest here. Is this your first PaleoFest?
No, I've been coming since 2009.
Wow, 2009?
Yep.
That's a long time ago.
Yeah, I'm old.
So every year? Or every year since 2009?
Yeah, not every year, but most of them.
Yes, I'd have to take a break from Brad too. That's okay.
Yeah, every once in a while. I just need some time apart.
That's okay. I know what you mean. Okay, so let me ask you this. What was your favorite PaleoFest you've been to?
Oh my gosh, it was probably my first one. And that's because I got to meet all these new people, and I was a graduate student at the time, so I still didn't know many people in the field. And it was great learning new things. I studied dinosaurs, and I didn't really know much outside the field, so PaleoFest is a chance for everybody to get together and learn about different things from different fields.
Yeah, that's absolutely amazing. So what you're saying, this is a great place to network.
Oh yes, definitely, and it's really popular with paleontologists. You're one of the cool kids if you're actually invited.
Yeah, that's right. So I'm one of the cool kids now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I did get to meet Dr. Thomas Holtz last year. That was really great.
Oh my gosh, has he tweeted about you?
Yeah, I don't know.
That's the pinnacle of cool.
Maybe. I think he has. I'm not sure. I have to double check that. But anyway, thank you so much, Holly, for taking the time to hang with us and whatnot. And thank you for telling us all about your research.
Yeah, you're welcome. It's fun.
All right. Thank you so much.